Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. I'm your host with the most. I'm Robot Joe, and I'm in the home of Elsa and Anna because I'm frozen. The home of Ice Pokemon because I'm frozen. The home of Mr. Freeze from Batman because I am frozen. I am so cold. I'm in Denver, Colorado, and it's beautiful. We got downtown, which we'll get into here in a second. We got what looks like an abandoned theme park over here. Dude, I am so freaking cold. Oh my god. And then we have the mountains over here, which could be called the Rocky Mountains. I'm not sure. I gotta do some more research. Do you want to know why they're called the Rocky Mountains? If that is the Rocky Mountains over there? That is because Rocky Balboa came over here and punched the mountains and shaped them and sculpted them with his own boxing gloves. Facts. Oh my god, it's so cold though. Yeah, we're gonna go hiking in the mountains tomorrow, but it's supposed to snow all night, so it's gonna be pretty fun. While I can handle the cold just a little bit, we are going to tour downtown Denver. I don't know that much about this city, but I have a couple facts for you. But I'm freezing, so yeah, let's get into this video before it starts snowing. Yeah, on 16th Street, downtown Denver, and I have a mask on my neck, even though I'm outside. It's keeping me warm. Yeah, this is a famous shopping district, I guess you could say like that. So normally I would hit you with Denver facts and things along that nature, and we have some of those coming. So I'll give you my first impressions, and I'll tell you what I know about Denver, but it's not that much. So as well as Denver, I'll tell you what I know about Colorado, and that is also not that much. So yeah, we have not a lot going for us, but luckily the city is beautiful and it can make up for my lack of knowledge and content. So can you even see the snow falling already? It's supposed to start snowing at 5 o'clock. I believe it's like 1. So we got to get it in where we can fit it in. And that sounds kind of naughty, but it's not. So first fact, which may not be a fact because I did brief research. Denver founded 1858. Maybe it said 1878. I don't know. You in the comments, if you know, you can fact check. What do I know about Denver? When I was little, I used to play NBA Jam. I think they have the Denver Nuggets. I used to play Madden, and they have the Denver Broncos, so they have some sports teams. I know South Park is based in Colorado, so that's probably the most important fact you're actually going to get from me. But I did not know that downtown Denver was as beautiful as it is. And I actually really am a fan of the architect. So far I really like this building right here. Yeah, let's try to find a good area to where you can get a better view than we had at the beginning of this video, because it truly is so beautiful here. Oh, quick fact. Why I run across the street and try not to get ran over. Admittingly, it's not a great thing, but I'm a huge fan of Starbucks. I love their green tea and some of like their pastries and stuff. I'm not a coffee drinker, but I love the green tea. Denver, Colorado, recreational marijuana is legal here, and I don't know if the word partake would be the best word, but the easiest way to put it is they have more they have more marijuana dispensaries than they do Starbucks here in the state of Colorado, which I don't know if that's true. I meant to say the city of Denver. It's so cold, I'm not even gonna correct myself. I'm just gonna get what words I can get to come out of my mouth, and we're gonna keep it moving. All right, the overall consensus for trash, it's not the greatest. It stinks, it's messy. You can see right here, some cool graffiti. But yeah, the overall consensus of trash is it's stinky. How could we fix the trash problem? I've got it. Giant air fresheners hanging above dumpsters. Guys, this is not fake air fresheners. There's 4 air fresheners hanging up there. You know how you stack them in your car mirror to get the quadruple power? That's what they've got going on here. Imagine if that's how we really tackled the trash issue in the world. That would be pretty crazy. I'm all for it. Anything that smells good. But yeah, dude, it's so cold. Oh my God. Gift shop. Do you know that Denver is actually called the Mile High City? And it's actually 5,280 feet above sea level. So at the state capitol, which we're going to over there, it, from what research I've done, it's actually the 15th step up that makes you exactly a mile above sea level. So we've got to find the 15th step. The problem is there steps on the right side, the left side. It's snowing, I'm cold, and I'm not that smart and good at researching. So we'll just wing it. A question I do have though is, but can you guys see the snow? It's really starting to snow now. Every single clip I've said it's starting to snow now, so it's probably not making any more sense. But if you were to do the dirty deed here in Denver, which is the Mile High City, would you officially be in the Mile High Club? Let me know. Drop it in the comments below. These are questions that need answers. But I like this little square, this little city square, if you will. It's like I'm in Chicago or New York or Paris or something. It's actually really nice. Yeah, my left leg keeps shaking uncontrollably, like spazzing out. And it's because I walked up 10 flights of stairs to try to find the best view. And when I got to the top story, the door was locked. Then I had to walk 10 stairs down. And I keep spazzing out. My leg keeps having a seizure. So now we're about to walk up more steps. And we got to find the exact 15th step. So let's get over there. There's steps right over here. There's steps up there. So we're going to walk up these steps. And then we're going to walk up the 15 steps up there. Maybe there'll be a plaque or something to tell me what is the 15 steps, so we're a mile above the earth, which is important because I'm in the middle of the snow having so much fun, dude. It's so beautiful. I've literally traveled around the world. This is one of the few places in America I feel that is so amazing and like its own thing. All right, is it the 15 steps here or 15 steps up there? Let's find out. So we'll count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I already think I already lost count. But after we're up these, that would be like 16 or something. So was that it? Or is it up here? State of Colorado. Centennial State, established 1876. I think at the beginning of this video I said 1858. So we're fact checking ourselves. Alright. It looks to me like they don't have anything marking the 15th step. So we'll just walk to the top and then we'll be out of breath and my leg will, oh, mile high marker, look. So we're here. We need to go here and up that way. So we need to go on the other side. Maybe we'll just make a lap around here and we'll find it. I don't want to turn the camera off right now because then that might be it. All right. Oh my God, dude. Okay, we started over there. We're here now. We've got to go back to the right. All right, back when we get over there. I'll be back on video. All right, officially back to where we started. Maybe this lamp post is the mile marker, because I don't see anything else that could be the actual marker unless it's on the steps. Let's see if this is even legible. I think so. Dude, I feel like I'm being bamboozled right now. Oh, right here, found it. Right here. 1 mile above sea level. To you, that may not be a big deal, to me, I think that's actually really cool that they know exactly where it is. Look at this view. Oh my God. So beautiful over there. But I'm from Florida, where we're actually technically below sea level. So we've made it, dude. I mean, we've already walked up this far. Let's just go up here and look at the view down. Man, it's pretty cold. All right, let's do a turn around with that. Ready? Me and the beautiful city of Denver, Colorado. Yeah, so we found it. And there's an obelisk in the middle. There was an obelisk, I believe, in either Nashville or Austin. Obelisk in Paris. And yeah, there's a lot of Illuminati stuff going on here. You know about the Denver airport? I think I'm actually gonna do a video on all the secret stuff in the Denver airport, as well with another topic. Yeah, dude, but it's pretty creepy. Maybe we'll see a lizard person. What do you think? Maybe this isn't even snow. This is lizard people dandruff, and their skin is so flaky it's just dandruff's all over the city. You heard it here first. That's exactly what's going on. Yeah, dude, the snow is pretty crazy. There's a lot of duck gang activity going on over here. So since I've been here, the city seems extremely safe compared to some other places I've visited. But if you come in this park, we got these menacing looking squirrels here. We've got these very manic looking ducks. We've got Charlies in the trees. Damn, look how fat that squirrel. Oh shit, he's looking right at me. Chill, little bro, chill. Oh shit. Bro, that's a fat ass squirrel. They eating good out here. They're probably eating ducks out here. And the ducks are probably eating lizard people's skin. Man, all the pieces to the puzzle are coming together now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, before I end this video, because it's getting pretty cold and a lot more snowy, and I have to save my endurance for tomorrow when I go hiking on a real mountain covered in snow in a blizzard or whatever. A couple facts that I forgot to mention. The first Chipotle ever, which is one of my favorite chain restaurants to go to, was opened here in Denver, Colorado. And Denver is one of the sunniest cities in America, which it would be hard to tell today, but they have over 300 average days of sun a year, which is crazy. Growing up in Florida, I don't even think we have that much. Earlier I went to a, what's it called? A gift shop, which I do in every city. And it's to get a sticker to put on my laptop. I get them from all over the world, wherever I go. And I got this one, pretty cool. And that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, please hit a like and subscribe on the way out. It means the world to me. Stay tuned for 2 more videos to come from here. One in the mountains, and one about all the mysteries of the airport, as well as a $6 flight from Denver to Cincinnati. That's correct. So it's gonna be a lot in that last video, but I appreciate you guys. You mean the world to me. So follow me on Instagram, like and subscribe on the video. Join the family that we have here. And you know me, I will see you guys very, very soon. Peace out.